Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use your domain in Ionos. Let's get started. First, sign into Ionos using your customer account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Domains and SSL. Here, you can manage existing domains or add a new one. To add a domain, click the Add button in the upper right corner. Now, search for the domain you want to use and check if it's available. Once you've purchased or added the domain, you'll see it's listed to your dashboard. By default, the domain is connected to your Ionos website, but you can also connect it to another site. To do that, click the three dots beside your domain and choose DNS. You'll now see the DNS records currently connected to your Ionos site. This needs to be removed in order to point the domain elsewhere. Check the boxes next to the records you want to delete. Then, scroll up and click Delete Records. A confirmation will appear. Make sure you want to proceed as this action cannot be undone. Once you're sure, click Delete. Now, go back to your dashboard and click on Websites and Shops. Choose the website you want to connect the domain to. Then, click Connect Domain. From the list, select your domain. You'll see a message saying the domain is updating. This may take a few minutes to complete. And that's it. Your domain is now connected to your desired website. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.